Welcome to another tutorial. This one is about one of the most magical rhythms of the universe, and it sounds like this. I love this rhythm, and it is based on a triplet grid, at least for now. That's what I'm going to assume. And I have written it down here. For those of you who find a visual graph helpful. Up here is the music notation, and down here is a graph for those who do not know how to read music, which is totally fine. Again, we have the bigger blue dots are the quarter notes, are the beat. The subdivisions are with those smaller blue little ticks, and up here I wrote the standard way to count this: 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a, which would be our triplet grid, our subdivisions in 3, 1 and a 2 and a, etc. And then here, hopefully it's recognizable, the orange dots would be where exactly we place the claps to create that rhythm. Okay, so I'm going to go over this really slowly because in contrast to the swing rhythm that we had before, this one is also using the second triplet of the grid, which is not used a lot in swing phrasing at all, but here it is used with equal importance. Okay, so we have 1 and a, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, that would be the pattern. If I do it that slowly, it doesn't feel like much, but it's good maybe to wrap our brains around it. Is that a way to say it? I don't know. So very slowly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Right? Let's do it with the steps, so we can feel the synchronicity or the beat-off-beat relationship of the feet and the claps. So we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 Okay, so let's do that same rhythm. If you're familiar with it, we can play it as a loop, as we have done with all the other exercises, and we can do it a little bit faster. It is really, really important that we have a solid understanding of where the claps are placed within the grid. So if you need more time to practice it before we continue, I think it's really good to do that and not be rushed by the speed of this video tutorial. But if you're ready, we'll do it a little bit faster and play it as a loop. So it'll be like 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a Next step, as always, we will do the same exercise. We will keep clapping the rhythm, but after, say, 4 repetitions of the claps, we reduce the number of steps and walk on the 1 and the 3 only. And after another 4 repetitions, we stop walking altogether, and hopefully we feel all of the grid of the beats and subdivisions internally and can relate our claps to this grid without making it audible. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, hopefully if you do it, you can feel how the beat sort of keeps walking inside you as you place those claps over it. This is all for this part of the tutorial, but we will have another video tutorial about that same rhythm because there's so much more to say about it. And I'm sure some of you know that this rhythm can be seen from different perspectives. I have now written it down as if it was a 4/4 bar in triplets, but that very same rhythm can also be played differently, and we will get to this, and there's a lot to discover about this rhythm, and we will get to this in another tutorial. So I hope to see you again next time.